Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 78 Camaro. Customers requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased output power and also the Bluetooth feature. So we're going to go ahead and run it through all the tests before we send her back, make sure everything works. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong AM station I get in my area, so let's turn her on.
Behavior of our sponsor.
And while we've got it on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate our virtual balance and fader controls.
Jeep, and check out an original Harley Davidson from World War II.
Virtual front rear fader.
Eric, John, and
fader adjust.
Okay.
American
so now we're using the same tone control. This is all being done using the tone control, all the way rear, all the way front. Okay, I'm going to center.
She knows who she is.
Fader set. Okay, left, right, balance.
When I was at the Freedom Expo.
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left.
And she came up
right,
to me with a veteran
left,
husband
right,
and handed me this
that.
leaflet.
Balance
is set. Okay, from here, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Because
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know the Bluetooth is working. Let's go ahead and move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area so we can get through the test quickly and not rest on one song for too long. Okay, now we're on FM.
Light from darkness, same old regret. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stairs.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Pretty little eyes was the same way too. Never
Okay, at the end of a song here, so check for crosstalk. Okay, no crosstalk between songs.
already and then leave a word there said. Now only 7 days we did. They're saying.
Okay, and then we just press the eject button and eject the tape, and the radio comes back. Let's check the dial light. Yeah, you can see it flashing on and off through those little holes there. So we're good to go. She's ready to go back. So that's it for this test. It's a pretty quick test. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print the work order before calling me, that'll save us both about 15 minutes worth of questions, because all my options and prices, including options for turnaround times, are right there in my work order. So, and you're going to have to fill one out and include with the unit anyway. So go ahead and make that the first step towards contacting me to find out my prices. Once you've got a work order printed, I'm happy to talk to you, just to make that clear. So this comes from Mike in Agra, Oklahoma. Thank you so much, Mike, for your business all the way from the Midwest. And again, this is out of a 78 Chevy Camaro. So thank you, Mike, for your business from Oklahoma, and thank you guys for watching, listening, and we'll see you next time.